The MACD and RSI just revealed a hidden clue that could change everything. Let's break it all down. Welcome back to TJ Crypto World, the home of real-time crypto insights, explosive altcoin analysis, and no-fluff breakdowns. If you're holding Pi or watching it like a hawk, today's chart action is something you cannot afford to ignore. We're diving deep into the 5-minute chart patterns, MACD death and golden crosses, RSI signals, and most importantly, the battle zones between bulls and bears. We're not just talking numbers, we're unlocking momentum. Stick with me until the end, because I'll reveal the exact support level that buyers are secretly defending and how it could trigger a price reversal no one's ready for. If you appreciate detailed, chart-backed crypto updates, hit that like button, subscribe to TJ Crypto World, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our timely breakdowns. May 28th recap. Bearish momentum in control. The PiNetwork price took another bearish hit on May 28th, dropping by 1.01% in just 24 hours, and a staggering 14.96% over the week. That kind of slide isn't random, it's tactical. The market mood was cautious, and every trader knew the fight was on. From the start of the day, bulls attempted to breathe some life into the chart. But by 1:10 Coordinated Universal Time, a clear death cross on the MACD appeared, a warning shot from the bears. By 5 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, another death cross confirmed it. Momentum was firmly in bearish territory. The RSI fell below 30 at both 6:40 and 6:55 Coordinated Universal Time, officially pushing Pi into oversold territory. For professional traders, that's not just a signal, it's a psychological pressure point. Bulls hesitated, bears attacked. Even though a golden cross surfaced around 7:25 Coordinated Universal Time, the buyers lacked volume strength. At 12:40 Coordinated Universal Time, another death cross locked the price into a downward channel, leaving no room for breakout. At 19:55 Coordinated Universal Time, a golden cross reappeared, and bulls seized the moment. Into the night, PiNetwork saw modest recovery as the market transitioned into May 29th. May 29th, bulls try, but bears regroup. The next day opened on a more optimistic note. Pi price climbed, and by 0:45 Coordinated Universal Time, the RSI hit 73.99, flashing an overbought signal. This wasn't bullish anymore, it was bait for sellers. And they took it. The first MACD death cross on May 29th hit at 1:15 Coordinated Universal Time, and the reversal began. At 3 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, another death cross deepened the downward slide. By 4:20 and again at 4:40 Coordinated Universal Time, the RSI dipped below 30, another oversold alert. Yet no major buying pressure followed. This shows the market's indecision. Buyers are watching but not jumping in yet. Why? They're looking for confirmation, not hope. As of now, Pi is hovering around 72 cents, still trapped in a cautious zone, with $0.7095 as solid support and $0.7399 emerging as stubborn resistance. Technical outlook: what traders must watch. Let's break this down into actionable signals. Support zone, $0.7095 tested 3 times, holding firm. If this cracks, we could revisit the psychological 70 cents level fast. Resistance barrier, $0.7399, that's the ceiling bulls must break to start any meaningful uptrend. MACD analysis: multiple death crosses confirm persistent bearish momentum. Short-term golden crosses have been too weak to sustain upward movement. RSI levels: oversold conditions hint at reversal potential, but until we see RSI climbing with volume confirmation, bulls should tread cautiously. If sellers push through 70 cents with volume, expect a rapid drop into the $0.685–$0.690 range. On the flip side, If bulls managed to break above $0.7399 with strength, we could see Pi aim for 75 cents, and potentially test 77 cents as a stretch target. Remember, these aren't just numbers. These are battle lines. If you're serious about tracking PiNetwork with professional-grade insights, make sure to like this video, subscribe to TJ Crypto World, and hit that bell icon, because this journey is just heating up, and you don't want to be left in the dark. That's your detailed PiNetwork price action analysis for today, using cold chart data, no hype, and real market logic. We're keeping it sharp, precise, and ahead of the curve, because here on TJ Crypto World, we don't just follow trends, we track momentum before it explodes. Thanks for riding through the charts with me. If this breakdown gave you clarity or sparked your trading instincts, drop a comment below and let me know where you think Pi is heading next. And don't stop here. Check out our latest video where I decode Pi's potential integration with HTX and what that means for the open mainnet. You don't want to miss it. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and until next time, keep your eyes on the charts and your moves calculated.